Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest release from Apple, the iPad Air Pro M4. Join us as we explore the exciting new features and enhancements that set this device apart from its predecessors. Design evolution. Let's start by taking a closer look at the design evolution of the iPad Air Pro M4. With sleek contours, a slim profile, and premium materials, Apple continues to raise the bar for elegance and craftsmanship in its tablet lineup. Performance powerhouse. Discover the performance powerhouse that lies beneath the surface of the iPad Air Pro M4. Powered by the latest M series chip, this device delivers blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking for a truly immersive user experience. Stunning display. Experience visuals like never before with the stunning display of the iPad Air Pro M4. With vibrant colors, crisp resolution, and true tone technology, every image and video comes to life with unparalleled clarity and realism. Enhanced productivity features. Unlock new levels of productivity with the enhanced features of the iPad Air Pro M4. From the redesigned Apple Pencil for precise input to the Magic Keyboard with trackpad support, Apple empowers users to work smarter and more efficiently than ever before. Advanced camera system. Capture memories in stunning detail with the advanced camera system of the iPad Air Pro M4. With improved sensors, enhanced image processing, and intelligent features like Smart HDR, every photo and video is a masterpiece. Seamless integration. Experience seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem thanks to the iPad Air Pro M4. From iCloud storage to handoff and AirDrop, Apple ensures that your devices work together seamlessly for a truly cohesive experience. Enhanced security and privacy. Protect your personal data with the enhanced security and privacy features of the iPad Air Pro M4. From Face ID for secure authentication to end-to-end encryption for your data, Apple prioritizes the safety and security of its users. Conclusion. In conclusion, the iPad Air Pro M4 represents the pinnacle of innovation and design in the world of tablets. With its powerful performance, stunning display, enhanced productivity features, and unwavering commitment to security and privacy, Apple continues to redefine what's possible with its latest release. Final thoughts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the exciting features of the iPad Air Pro M4. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we continue to explore the latest innovations from Apple and the world of technology. Until next time, happy exploring.